Good day to you and welcome to another Paddocks Club video tutorial. Continuing in the series of looking at the prescribed conduct rules, I'm going to look at refuse disposal, that is prescribed conduct rule 2. It's broken into 4 parts. An owner or occupier of a section shall firstly maintain a receptacle for refuse that must be maintained in a hygienic and a dry condition and must be kept either within his section, in an exclusive use area, or on such other part of the common property as may be designated by the trustees in writing. Secondly, the owner or occupier must ensure that before refuse is placed in that receptacle, that wheelie bin or whatever it is, it must be securely wrapped, and in the case of tins or other containers, it must be completely drained so that the container won't leak and smell. Thirdly, for the purposes of having the refuse collected, the owner or occupier must place that receptacle within an area designated by the trustees at times that they specify. And finally, when the refuse has been collected, the owner or occupier must promptly return that receptacle to his section or exclusive use area or such other area as the trustees may have designated. Now, this rule can be altered by the developer on the opening of the sectional title register and thereafter by special resolution of the body corporate. The implication of this rule is that an owner or occupier of a section may not keep refuse in any part of the common property other than one designated for this purpose by the trustees, and always in a hygienic and dry receptacle. Where it's appropriate for the trustees to make decisions under this rule as to what part of the common property must be used for the keeping of refuse receptacles or at what times they should be put there or replaced, this decision should be made by resolution of the trustees and recorded in the minutes of their meetings. And a notice of this resolution should be posted either on a common notice board or otherwise communicated to all residents. Any trustee decision made under this rule should be communicated to all new residents as and when they move in, and they should also be reviewed by the trustees annually to ensure that their terms remain relevant. Thank you for joining me, and if you have any questions in this regard, let's deal with them in the discussion forum.